Okay, selamat malam, Miss. So, I'm going to share my homework for today from Microsoft Access. The homework is based on the Moodle. We make some table in the Microsoft Access. So, I have done to make a table divided into two, the customer data and customer detail. I already put the data based on Excel. I have, so there is a 10 female and then 10 male. So all the data I already put in Microsoft Access database based on customer data, and then customer ID, customer sex, customer race, and then customer birth, college status, customer household size, zip code, income, spend, then number of order, and then last scene, satisfaction, and then channel, exercise, and the last is marital status. So based on Moodle, I'm going to record this. My homework is from number 6 until 8, where I said is create query wizard after finish. So I'm going to make a query wizard. So we're going to close it first, right? So we're going to create query wizard and then simple query wizard, and then we're going to usable with my database. So based on customer data, we're going to customer ID first, sex, race, birth date, and then college status, and then household, zip code, household, and then data, zip code, and then income, spending, sorry, no one, let me put this one first, right there, no, okay, put this first, okay, the zip code is income and then spending, income, spending, then number of order, on the data, last scene, I think last scene, right? Okay, last scene, satisfaction, channel, exercise, and then the last is marital status. So when we click next, we choose a detail, next, and then open the query. Okay, we click finish. So here we are, the query wizard. And then after finish, click home, choose view as SQL. And then we're going to save this first, right? We're going to save everything we have done. Home, and then we click view based on SQL view. Okay, there we are. Select customer data, customer ID. Okay. Table name is customer data. Okay. Okay. So it's all okay. The last is marital status. So I think it's all done, right? Query. If there has one destination file. Okay, ID, and then ID. This one is customer 6, and then customer race. Word. After that, college, right? College, household, college, and then household, household size, and then zip code, income, zip code, and then income, spending, spending 2015, and then after that is now of order, Lasin, now of order, and then Lasin. The Lasin, we're going to satisfaction channel, such and marital status. Satisfaction, Lasin, satisfaction channel, exercise channel, satisfaction channel, exercise, and then the last is marital status. Okay. Okay, so all is done, right? Okay. And to save this one, don't forget to save. And then the last step is submit database exception. Okay, I think that's all. So hope you guys know my tutorial. Okay, so that's all. Thank you all. Goodbye. Mm-hmm.